Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create forms in Airtable. So for creating forms, you have to firstly create a base, then go inside your base, then in create view you will find a column called forms. Just simply click that, then add a form, then create a new view. Now after creating the form you will find that there is a mockup form already ready for you. So firstly what I'm going to do is simply delete all the boxes over here. So for doing that, click on the drop box over here, then delete field, and do this for all of them, but we'll keep the name because we want this. Let's add few more fields. For adding fields, what you have to do is just simply click over here, add a field to this table. Then the field that I'm going to add is last name, then it will be a single line text. So just simply save it and it is now added. Now the next field that I want is phone number. Then just simply click the drop down box over here and select the type which you are looking for. For me it's phone number. I will just simply choose that and then save. Now the next field that I'm looking is attachments. I will just simply click attachments over here, then I will write the field name as well, attachments, then just simply save it. Now the last field that I want is rating, so I will just simply write ratings. Then I will add the amount of stars and then I will just simply click save. As you can see, I've created my form which I want to send to people. So if you want to view how your form looks, you can just simply click over here that says open form, and that will open your form in a web page, and this is how your form will look. Now you can just simply copy this link and you can share this link to anyone through email or directly. When they enter the link, they will reach to this particular form. That's it. So that's how you can create a form in Airtable. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.